Welcome to the making of Great Kinetic Energy Adventure video. This video was created by AI JMSK team of Polytechnic Tun Syed Nasir, Syed Ismail. In Phase 1, we need to define the purpose of our video. First ask, what is the video about? Is it about science, a career project, or something else? This helps us know what to include. Next ask, who will watch this video? Is it for students, teachers, or the public? This helps us choose the right style and language. When we know the topic and the audience, it's easier to plan and make a good video. In this step, we are going to create a storyboard. A storyboard is a plan that shows what visuals or scenes will appear in each part of the video. It's like a comic strip that helps us see the flow of the video before we start recording. We match each part of the script with a drawing or image idea. For example, if the script says the sun gives us energy, we can draw a picture of the sun shining on a house. Don't worry if you're not good at drawing. Just simple sketches are okay. You can also use ChatGPT to help. Just type your script and ask, what visuals can I use for this? ChatGPT will give you creative and helpful ideas to make your storyboard better. Now it's time for the next step. Prepare content. In this phase, we gather all the materials we need to build the video. This includes images, video clips, text slides, background music or voiceovers. We can use different tools to help us. Prompt ideas, use DeepSeek to help you write or improve your script. Images, use Gemini to generate high-quality pictures that match your topic. Videos, use Kling AI to create short video clips from text. Audio, use 11 Labs to generate clear voiceovers or background narration. Video editing, use Canva to combine everything into one final video with transitions, effects, and music. Once you collect and organize all your content, you're ready to start building your video. Remember, the better your content, the more engaging your video will be. Now that we've prepared all the content, let's move to the compilation process. This is where we combine everything: images, video clips, text, and audio into one complete video. We use two main tools. Canva. Canva is great for adding text slides, animations, and smooth transitions. You can upload your pictures, videos, and music, then arrange them in the order you want. Canva also lets you choose a video size, style, and add creative effects easily.